Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a larger Temu haul. Did things a little bit differently today, so let me know if you like the video down below in the comments. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Okay, so first item here we have is a Father's Day gift. I was a little late to the game on Father's Day this year, but we did end up getting all the gifts we needed. And this was a 3D printed fox inside of a tree trunk. It's all 3D printed. My son picked this for his father, and I found it really cute as well. I really liked the paw prints on him. And he's 3D printed, so he's fully articulated. And it's just so cute. And it fits into the little tree trunk. Second item we have here is a pair of shoes that I got for $15.85. And I got a size 10. Now, these actually ran a little bit bigger than I was hoping. But they were a Father's Day gift for my husband. But they ended up giving to my stepson, so. We have here is another Father's Day gift. I got it for $14.95, and it is a completely stainless steel tumbler, and it's 20 ounces, and it's the Big Bang Theory. And it does come with 2 different straws and a straw cleaner there. Now, the printing on this cup was a little bit blurry, but it isn't that big of a deal. It was just a little bit blurry. I did want to note that. But this cup was very cool, and my stepfather definitely loved it. Next up, we have some yarn. This yarn, I got 5 pieces for $5.09, and it is the Ultra Soft Chunky Chanel yarn. Now, this yarn reminded me of like trees and nature, so I had to get this yarn, and it does come with 5 pieces. Next up is another big roll of yarn. Are you surprised? This is 190 grams, and I got it for $6.57, and it's a whole bunch of blues and greens. And it's a mixture yarn again with the soft Chanel Chunky. Now, this came for 4 pieces, so it was 200 grams, I believe, and I paid $11.54 for this, and I really liked the colors. It reminded me of Halloween kind of colors. Next, I got for $3.19 is a 3-piece set of baby rattles. I'm going to save your guys' ears here, but each one does rattle. My granddaughter really liked these. Next is an item for myself. It's actually a pair of shorts. I got them for $5.86. I got a size large, and it does have side pockets, and I love the color of these. Very loud and very me. Very comfortable as well. And next is 2 teachers' gifts that I got for my sons. I got them each at $2.30. And it does have a bracelet, and it does come with a card, basically stating that the teacher's been so grateful for teaching them. And then the bracelet has a little diamond apple. And this one is the blue one. And then I also got a multicolored orange and red one as well. But I do want to note that the orange and red one came with the card a little bit bent, as you can see. It's okay, we just flattened it, but teacher didn't mind. Okay, and next is a pin for myself. I got it for 70 cents, and it's an enamel pin, and it's actually a crochet with a magic ring. A crochet hook, with a magic ring. Now, because I've been so much into crocheting, I really wanted this pin, and it ended up coming up for a great deal, so I figured why not. Now, this next item I got as a free gift. As you can see here, I paid nothing for it, but it's just a 7-pack of underwear. But these are like really comfortable, soft underwear, and they're all different shades of army print as well. But they were completely free, so even better. Okay, and next item here I got for $3.11. It just came with 2 rolls of chunky Chanel green. And then we have 1 more roll here of chunky Chanel, but I only paid 1 cent for it. But this is like yellows and browns and greens. It's a multicolor roll as well. Can't wait to start using all of this yarn. Next is actually a small little pouch that I bought for myself. It's 1 cent again. It's very bright green. It's not as green as I thought it would be, like bright, but it still works. But my main goal for this was to get my headphones to go in that little pouch so I don't lose them in my purse. So it was perfect for that. Next, I found a very funny pin for a cent. Now, this is Cosmo and Wanda from Fairly Odd Parents, but shaped like a lighter and a bud of weed. That I find is very comical, so that was for my husband, and he really liked that as well. Next are some earrings for myself. These are celestial earrings. I got them for 59 cents. And they are very shiny when you look at them different lighting. I love them a lot. And next is another pair of earrings for myself. This is Beetlejuice. I got them for 53 cents. Now, these aren't printed on both sides, and they're more of, it looks almost like a sticker put onto acrylic instead of engraved or anything. But I really like these. They'll also go with my Beetlejuice shirt that I've gotten a few videos back now. Now, this came as a 2-pack, and I got it for 73 cents. And this was basically more for the purpose of going on the wagon that I bought a while ago for groceries, because it's durable and you can clip it on, and then you have 2 rotating hooks, and there's 2 packs, so there's 4 hooks on each for each. But this will also be helpful taking my granddaughter for walks and needing a little extra storage space on the stroller. These are just going to come in handy, so I figured why not. Next is 100-piece of trash bags. These are just the small little trash bags. I got them for 1 cent, so I figured why not, because I get them anyway. They're just really useful for things around the house. Next is a tank top that actually goes with my new shorts for myself. I did get a size large. And I only got this tank top for 1 cent. And this tank top is the very soft material as well, but it is the Tree of Life. I was very excited to get this, and it's also very comfortable. Now, this item is, again, a cent, because all of these deals were amazing, but I got a 500-gram pack of polyfill, fiber fill. So this is to fill stuffies. And let me just say I've used almost a whole pack already because it comes with 5 of them and each pack has 100 grams. I've used almost a whole pack already. So I'm definitely going to have to purchase more, but this was awesome for just a cent because I know how expensive polyfill can get. And it was very soft, extremely soft, softer than the other polyfill I had before. And next is a desk organizer that I got for $1.36. I got it in pink because that was the only one that they had for the deal, but I really need, as you can see in the background there, a desk organizer. Next is a pin for myself, and this is from Harry Potter, and it is the 3-headed dog named Fluffy. And I did get this again for 1 cent. Another pin for my husband. I got this for $1.81. And next is a tote bag, and this is actually an insulated tote bag that I got for, again, a cent. Now this tote bag is pretty awesome. It has the insulation, the silver stuff on the inside to keep things cold, and it also has side pouches as well as one back pouch as well. And this bag is huge inside. I really liked the pattern of this bag as well. But I figured for a cent, why not? Because that is an amazing deal to take a bag to the park or what have you when you need a cool drink or when you need to get a cold bag of milk home. And there was our big Temu haul. What'd you think? What was your favorite item? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Bye.